How to change download location on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First open your Spotify and now click on your profile here in the top corner and click settings. Now scroll down, scroll until you find here, scroll until you find offline storage location. Now click change location, and that's it. Here you can select any location you want and then just click OK, and that's it. After that all you need to do just to restart up, and that's it for today's video. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.